Maybe I play a little song for you too.
Yeah, Bastian, come sit down, man. Play some music.
I've seen the world and it's no longer the same. A deathbed of pollution and the world is dying. And I hear the world shouting. And I hear the world shout. And I hear the world shouting. And I hear the world shouting.
Good, man.
It's a good moment. How do you feel about the soil here in Switzerland? Like about what Cyril's been telling you? Because he's saying here it's pretty fertile and stuff, so is it something
It is, but
encouraging
that's
and
not the
positive
way
about
to…
it?
See, right now, by 2032, it's expected 1.2 billion people will migrate. So where will they go? Wherever there's rich soil and water, that's where they'll come. You think you can stop a billion people?
No, of course not.
It'll be a total mess, it doesn't matter where you're living. Important thing is, soil must be alive
Yeah.
for ourselves and for future generations. Thank you very much for the song, huh? Wonderful.
Thank you.